Hello everyone, I am Ajay Singh and I am student of Drona Academy Gwalior. Well, I have ordered this exclusive study material for Ramc 2021 June term, and I am very excited to unbox this big dumpy box which has a lot of knowledgeful things. So let's start our unboxing. Well, first of all, you can see that it's my name written over here, my address and my pin code and my contact number. And this is the hologram, or we can say the seal of official Drona Academy. And now we are going to unbox this. It looks very heavy and very enchanting. So first of all, you will find this kind of book with this home page of Drona Academy. So we'll first open this book and let's see which book is inside it. The unpacking part is quite difficult as it is very carefully packed, and because the whole study material is transferred from Gwalior to all over India, and many of the students have availed it. And I have heard that's why through the official YouTube channel I clicked on the link and ordered ordered this through their website on educo.com. So it seems quite nice. Let's unbox it more to actually know what is inside it. So first of all, you will see this kind of general science notes. I think these notes are self-prepared by the official team of Drona Academy, and these seems quite good. I think most of the chapters they have covered are from the 8th class NCERT book, and these are very handy notes and very thin too, and you can revise your concepts on daily basis through these notes. I think these are the best thing by which you can revise your science. So up next we go to GK solution booklet. So these are the, I think so these are, yeah, these are previous year GK solution booklet starting from December 2014 till December 2019. So these booklets have very much values because many questions in RIMC are repeated from the previous year papers. So these papers are solved, and we can easily go through these papers at the last moment and revise what all things came in the last year's paper. So yeah, this is also very good, and I am glad to have this. And this is English solution booklet. Well, most of you know that English comes in a 125 marks paper, and it is very difficult to gain marks in English. Most of the students make their end through GK and maths, but they fail in English. And I think these are best for preparation of English because practicing previous year question is better than anything else, because you get to know what is the pattern of the exams and how the paper will come. So yeah, it's very good, and you can revise them at the last moment, or keep on revising them so that you will have better understanding of what comes in English. Now we go to mathematics solution. Oh, these are handwritten. It seems quite good. So the content of mathematics solution is also same as compared to that of English and GK. It also starts with December 2014 and till the date of January 2021. So it's very latest. So you should definitely avail this. And these are handwritten notes by, I think so, the official team of Drona Academy, and they have done quite well job because the answers are very clear, and the paper quality is nice. So, and for better understanding, they have given stepwise explanation. So yeah, it's very good. You should avail this, and it will give a boost to your preparation. So now we move on to the second packing. Oh, it seems very big. Very hard to unpack it, especially when you don't have anything sharp. So yeah, as soon as you open it, you will find a brand new class 8th R.D. Sharma book by Dhanpat Rai Publications, and we all know that R.D. Sharma is the best book for any competitive exam preparation, and it is very handy for RIMC exam also because most of the questions come from this. I have heard about it, and I'll go through this book through my preparation, and I know it will definitely going to help me. Now comes the English grammar and composition. This seems quite new to me because I have not seen these kind of books beforehand. So it is a self approach to learning English for all standards. It's for all standards, so you all can have this. Yeah, so many vocabulary, and it's the official Drona Academy mark. I think so. They have only prepared it. So there are many grammar part. We have the sentence, subjects, and all of the tenses, adjectives, pronouns, determiners, verb, conjunctions, and vocabulary. Reading section also is there. The integrated grammar is also there. Composition writing is also there. So and the pattern is there. So it is very good to have books like this because it will really help you in grammar as well as in writing portion of English for our AMC exam. And this is the RIMC guide provided by Arihant, and it is totally based on the pattern of the exam, and it is a brand new book. It contains all the subjects and all the topics: English, English, read comprehension, writing, grammar, mathematics, general science, general knowledge, practice sets, as well as the previous year papers also it contains over here. And another thing which I can tell you about this book is you can go through this book. It helps really well, and practicing the guides are must because it gives you the idea that how the questions will come and what all the steps we have to write. We will learn from the explanation. So it's very nice to practice these kind of books. And now I am done with my unboxing, and I am very glad that I had all these things, and I will be focused for my next exam, that is January 2021, June 2021. I am sorry to say June 2021 RAMC exam, and these all books will help me and to achieve my dreams as I want to be an army officer, and RIMC is my first step to it. So I am very grateful to the team of Drona Academy for their support to my RIMC exam journey. And I think these books are quite enough for the preparation, and these will automatically boost up my concepts and revise me all the things. And these books are notes are the balance to study all the subjects and get qualified in it, because in RIMC you need only at least 70 you can say 50%, 50 to 60% marks in GK and English, and in maths you need 70 to 80% mark, and then there are bright chances of you to get selected. And I think these books will help me to do so. Thank you. Again, thank you to Rona Academy for their support, and Jai Hind, and all the best for the aspirants for their upcoming examinations for RIMC. Bye bye.